This is the DJI Osmo Mobile 3, and I've used this a lot, especially on my Android phones before. I could say it's one of the best gimbal from DJI. I have this for 1 year already, and I skipped the 4th generation since I think this is a better deal. With arrival of the 5th generation, let's check if this DJI Osmo Mobile 3 is still worth it in 2021. The DJI Osmo Mobile 3 is primarily made of plastic, but with a solid build. It's not that heavy, but you know that there's some weight on it. I like its handle and it's comfortable in your hands. Due to its design, it will not stand up on its own and you will need a tripod. And it's better to buy this combo package because that includes the tripod. The good thing about this gimbal is it's foldable too, so you can make it more compact and small. So you can easily put it on any small bag or in its case. There's a joystick for manual control over the phone direction, as well as power and record buttons to the right of it, and LED battery indicators above. On the right side of the unit, there's a slider that controls your phone zoom in the DJI Mimo app. The front trigger will let you lock the gimbal, recenter, or track, or activate sport mode. It does have this USB Type-C for charging. It's 2450 mAh battery. There is a USB-A port that will let you charge just in case you run out of juice on your phone. Mounting your phone is also simple. There's no screws needed, just a spring-loaded tension grip here. It feels secure and you can fit larger phones, though thick cases may not. It connects via Bluetooth wirelessly, so no cables needed. You purchase a gimbal just for one purpose, and that is for the stabilization, and it gets the job done. This can give you an awesome stabilized videos and turn any smartphone to a great video camera. You can use this gimbal without its app, though you will not able to get its full potential. So I highly recommend to use it paired with the DJI Mimo app, so that you can use its smart features too. The Mimo app gives you manual camera control to your phone, essentially for creating more professional looking content. It also offers different modes in the Mimo app, like in panorama photo modes, gesture controls, time-lapse mode, and an amazingly impressive hyperlapse feature. Story mode lets you create short stories easily too. There will be an option to pick a template and follow the guides to capture the clips, which are then automatically stitched together with transitions, on-screen text, and music. For panoramas, you can select a 180-degree shot or a wider one, which captures a lot more angles. Though the gimbal still has a limit to how far it can rotate, so you can take 360 degrees panorama photos. DJI have this active track software, which keeps the camera trained on a subject selected by the user. This is a useful feature for vloggers and self-filmers, as they move at slow to medium speed throughout the frame, though the tracking does not do as well with fast-moving objects or subjects. There's a sport mode option that can be activated when you double press and hold the trigger button. This will enable active tracking on the object in the center of the frame and increase the speed of motors, so the gimbal can pan and tilt more rapidly. Active track can be also activated by showing palm or V-sign gesture to the camera. But this needs to be enabled first on the app settings. There are other gestures that can be used. It includes a double tap on mode button, and it will flip the phone horizontally or vertically, and a triple tap on a trigger button to switch between front and rear cameras. You can also activate Quick Menu, which lets you use the joystick to navigate through all the shooting modes, so you never have to touch your phone screen. DJI claims a battery life up to 15 hours. Well, I can say it can live up on its expectation, and sometimes it can last for days. Compared to its siblings, the 4th and the 5th generation, the difference is not too big. The two new generations have slightly decreased in size thanks to the removable magnetic clamp, a slightly better stabilization, and a built-in extension rod a la selfie stick. For the 5th gen, the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 is still one of the best mobile gimbal. And if you can still purchase it now, surely you can take advantage of its discounted rates. But if money is not a problem with you, then go for the 5th and the 4th generation. So that is my review of DJI Osmo Mobile 3 in 2021. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.